Instagram Live. Has anybody done? Has anybody done has anybody done an Instagram Live before? No.
Adrian has.
Many of them.
Many.
Okay, it's the phone cast. All right, cool. Phone cast, start broadcast. So I'm just using that fun little app that's going to show me your should show you my phone so that I can show you Instagram Live. And it's not, so just give me a sec. Let's try that again. Round 2. I wish it was a really easy, simple solution. Okay, let's try that. You can do it. Yes. Can you see it?
Negative, Ghost Rider.
Sorry?
Negative. Nope.
You can't see it. Hold on. Come on. It was just there a second ago.
Houston, we have a problem.
There we go.
There we go.
All right, cool. All right, so Instagram. Oh, you can see I was playing with it earlier. Oh, Sandy's launched his motorbike. He's so upset that I posted before he did. I said to him, sorry, dude, you're slow. You're too slow. All right, cool. So, all right. So Instagram, obviously on your phone, because it's mostly by phone. So at the top right-hand side, you can see the plus sign. When you hit the plus sign, down at the very bottom over here, it says live. Okay, so live, real stories. So all you're going to do is go to live, and then at the bottom on the left-hand side there, it says schedule. So you click on schedule, you'll put your title, which should be captivating, a captivating headline that's going to stop people and make them attend the live. You obviously can put in your start time in that. So I'm just going to put in a time well away from now, and you schedule the live video. Now, once you've scheduled the live video, it says your live video is scheduled. Okay, help people discover your live video by adding the details to a post. People can also get reminders from your post. So this is pretty cool. Okay, because remember we said with lives, it's better if everyone gets a reminder, or they can put it in their calendar. So you can share it as a post. And you'll even have it like a little countdown timer. You do have to add a picture, and it'll add it to everything. I'm not going to be able to, there we go. So there you can see, write the caption, tag people, test the name so you can actually see live video at the date. I can even add the location. Yes, I can add it to Facebook as well. Down at the bottom, you can see that I can turn on the button, add it to Facebook. And then I can share it, and you can go in and you can add it to your calendars. Obviously, I'm not going to do that. Now, if you're wanting to go and find that scheduled live video, because I did a test earlier today and I was like, oh my gosh, how do I delete that? Where do I find it? I went basically back into lives. When I went into lives, I went into the scheduling calendar thing, and I can find it over there. I can click on the 3 dots. I can either edit it, share it as a post, or I can cancel it. So if I go to edit, I can go cancel live video. Okay. As I said, it can actually allow you to add it to your calendar, which is really cool. Now, it can also have a countdown timer. And for the life of me, I can't remember where that is now. You can put a countdown, share later. Let's go back here, edit. We will find it. We will find it together.
Have you tried the 3 dots?
Yeah, that only allows you to edit. I think if you take a screenshot, I think that's what I did. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. It wasn't that. Maybe it's the steering wheel. Nah, it was new audience, public or practice. Details, maybe it's in details. Let's try that. Cucumber. No, it had the little square face with the circle, and then you could add a okay. That's not where it is. It had the square face. Let's try this. Maybe this is it here. Maybe you go to do a post. No, it's not. All right, well, if I find it, I'll let you know. Who knows? It might have changed from Friday till now. Oh, I think you can share it to story. I think that's what it is. You'll have to wait till next week and I'll let you know.
I'm just trying to Google it for you, but it's not coming very quickly.
What I can do is go into my Facebook page.
Tap to add a countdown to your, oh no, this is to your Instagram story. No, I asked for a bloody.
Okay, so you know what? I think that you share the live to story and then add a countdown timer. Thank you, Jane. Yes, you did solve it.
Oh, okay. So to add a countdown to your Instagram story, tap the square smiley face button used to add gift stickers and more. At the top of the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the same menu. Any countdown you add to be published at Instagram story will be saved and available to reuse in the future.
Yeah, excellent. So 100%, that's exactly what you do. So once the Facebook Live is created, you can then share it to your story, use the little square face to be able to put the countdown timer. So it'll say countdown and it will actually count down. This is awesome because in story, people can see it. They can add it to their calendar. In a photo on live. I really think that, you know, up until now, I haven't kind of thought about doing lives on Instagram, but I really think that they've really made it really easy now to do it from story, to do it from a post. You got the countdown timer, add it to your calendar. So your show up rate's going to be so much better. However, I'm still a big fan of getting people off socials because you don't have the email address, right? So you can get all these random people showing up. You're going to have to engage them and you're going to have to get them to DM you and you're going to get the email address to be able to book in a call. But it's a really, really good feature. So I'm really excited about that one. And thanks, Jane, for workshopping that. I did it on Friday morning very early. And then I was like, yes, I have to teach this to you. I'm like, no, I forgot it.
Actually, I listened to it yesterday as I was coming home. I was up on the sunny coast on the weekend. And I think it was Michael Stelzner, marketing, I can't remember the podcast. Anyway, he had a lady on and she was talking about Instagram lives.
Yeah, awesome.
No, because it's on a feed, I can't come back to it. But anyway, if I find it, I'll share it in the group. Is that all right?
Yeah, thank you. And this is the thing with Instagram, you know, because it just disappears. it's really hard to find things. So if you see something on Instagram that you like, it can go. And once it's gone, you don't remember the name, you don't know how to find it. It can be really difficult. Okie dokie doodahs. Is there any questions with regards to any of that? Paint and sip you all know about. Is there, with regards to next week, does anybody have any suggestions? Oh, no, you don't have a